Turn on the warning light as a reminder. Park the car well and ensure that the car has been braked safely. Choose an appropriate position for the jack, where the car body can provide a good support. Insert the power cord into the cigarette lighter and power on. Then the other end into the car jack. Press the power button and then the up button to start the machine. Press the O button to pause when the car has been lifted to an ideal height. Pull out the cable and connect it to the electric wrench. 2 sleeves are available for screws of 4 sizes. Pay attention to the sizes when selecting the sleeve. If you fail to remove the screws, please change to another sleeve. The left side of the power switch marked 2 means loosening the screw. Press 2 and keep holding until the screw has been loosened. Remove the nuts. The right side marked 1 means tightening the screw. Same way, keep the one side pressed until the screw has been tightened. Press the down button until the jack is lowered to the minimum. The built-in LED light can be used as a flashlight. You shall open it at night. Thanks for your watching.